So if you want to check your email on Roblox, here is the quick video for that. First of all, you need to open up the Roblox on your mobile phone. And then from here, you need to go with the more options. Simply tap on the more and scroll it down to the bottom and you will see the settings. And then again, go with the account info. Now, as you can see, here is the email account, but you cannot actually see the email account. Only you can see is to the first letter of the email that you have verified. But for that reason, you can simply go back to your mobile phone and simply open up the Gmail on your mobile phone. Then from here onto the three dots, simply tap on the three dots and this will open up here. So once again, go with the all mails, select that one, and then from into the search bar, you need to search for Roblox and hit enter. And there you got the Roblox emails. So if you tap one of the email, then you can simply see the email of the, and as you can see, here is the two. So from the two you can see the email of your Roblox account. From here is my email. So that's how you can find your two email in Roblox. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.